Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Friday Night Funkin' on a Chromebook. During this installation method, we will upgrade our Linux apps to a newer version that the game requires. So we highly recommend that you start this tutorial with a new Linux app session. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Linux icon on the left panel. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to download the Linux installation package from their website. Now we will open it in our file manager. Move the installer to the Linux folder. Now we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Friday Night Funkin'. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will rename our current Linux repositories files as we will create a new one. This command should run automatically as soon as you paste it into a terminal session. Now we will create a new Linux apps repositories file. Now we will add one repository to our newly created file. Now we'll update the repositories of our Linux apps. Now we will install all the updates. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Click on the right arrow button. Press Enter to confirm the decision. Now we will extract the Friday Night Funkin' packet. Now we'll make the game executable as a program. Now we will launch Friday Night Funkin' from the terminal to make sure that it works. Now we will install a menu editor that we will use to add Friday Night Funkin' to our menu. Press Enter to confirm the installation. With the last command, we will launch the menu editor. Choose the category. Create a launcher. Create a name for the launcher. The command is the package called funkin. Save the launcher. Friday Night Funkin' is now installed on our Chromebook. Now we will launch it. Enjoy a Friday night funkin'.